All right, now that I got my tunes on, I'm gonna show you guys what I like to do. It's a fat blasting workout. It's a fasted cardio session with weight training, because sometimes one weight training session is not enough. If you're trying to get 3% body fat, even lower, I've been 0.9% on the skin fold, and this is the kind of cardio I've been including, which is 1 minute all out intensity on a spin bike, 10 reps of squats, 10 reps of deadlift, 10 reps of bench press, repeat for 15 rounds. Absolutely zero rest, guys. Now, before you guys start, you gotta take a weight that's challenging enough, but light enough that you can actually perform 300 reps, okay? 300 reps non-stop, all out intensity, get your game face on. So being as this is a home gym, I'm using this, which gives me 50 pounds more resistance on top of these 50-pound dumbbells. It's your first 30 reps, guys. 1 minute bike. Just a nice neighborly stroll. Meanwhile, I'm at home dying. All right, guys, that was only 2 sets already. Woo! Yeah, buddy. The best thing about this is there's no fucking cheerleaders, no fucking gym partners, no fucking bullshit. It's too early. Nobody bombarded you with their fucking problems yet. Just you and your fucking strength. Halfway, motherfucker. My back is pumped. Ah. Cardio is taxed. Back is pumped. I'm not done. Ooh. As you guys can see, I'm starting to slow down. This challenge, no matter how many times you do it, no matter how long you do it, this challenge always gets the best of you. Fucking back is so tight. Whose fucking idea was this?
see why this routine is so good for just melting off the body fat is you can't breathe. Think about a burpee that's lasting for 25, 30 minutes. Constant tax on your cardiovascular system. No chance to breathe. You can see my breathing is disrupted. You can't even catch your breath. Even when you try to inhale, nothing comes in. When I'm in deep waters, just bring on my alter ego. She knows what I'm talking about. Teamwork. By far the easiest part is the bench press at this point. I mean, nothing is hard. I mean, nothing's easy. What I really mean is nothing's making sense at this point because I'm exhausted. Just focus on not dying. Focus on contraction. Don't die. Don't look weak. Don't lose. Just keep going. It's true what they say when they said everyone wants to be a champion, but nobody wants to train like a champion. If you think this is what champions train like, I got a news flash for you. This is fasted cardio. This is not my weight training session. This is my cardio session, my cardiovascular session. Fat blasting, quick, start your day. Be a fucking champion. Oh.